Hello, welcome back, or welcome to, if you're new, my name is Abria Perry and welcome to my channel. I run a brand called Staud where we discuss all things lifestyle, beauty, and fashion with a finance twist. Staud is all about financing a life and a closet that you absolutely love. If you are new here today, hello. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at I am Brie Perry, and just join the Staud family because we have a lot of fun around here. Today's video is going to be kind of an unboxing, first impressions type of a vibe. I don't exactly know what we're going to call it, but I did get a new bag in the mail today. This was a little gift to myself, a little Christmas gift to myself. I wanted to kind of find a mid-range bag. I would consider this to be kind of a contemporary bag. It's not a high street bag, but it is not a, you know, luxury bag. It was a pretty good price. It's great quality, and I think that it is a great option if you are looking to start to spend a little bit more on your accessories, but you are not ready to go all the way and spend thousands of dollars on a bag. So if you are interested, go ahead and keep watching to see what bag I got. And like I said, make sure that you are subscribed so you never miss any more videos like this one. Let's get into it. So I am going to go ahead and pop in the unboxing right here for you guys so you can see that part of the video. The bag came packaged so beautifully, and it came with this gorgeous little card. I did pick this bag up from Moda Operondi, and I paid $163 for the bag. I believe it was a little bit less than that, but with tax and whatnot, I did pay about $163. It was originally in the 200s and it was on sale. They were having a sale. The bag came packaged very nicely in this really nice dust bag, and right here it has the brand on it. This is a Staud bag, but here is the nice little dust bag. It didn't come in a box, but it did come wrapped in tissue paper like you guys saw, and here she is in all of her glory. This is the brown mocha. Ooh, mocha. This is the mocha Croc embossed moon bag, and this is just the moon bag. This is not like the mini moon bag or the large moon bag. It's just the like original size. I really like this bag. It is not like anything else that I have. From the shape to the color to the Croc embossed vibe of it, it also has this really nice kind of white stitching around it, and I just thought that this was a really nice, just different. Like, she's different. I haven't seen anything like this anywhere, and I just really like it. I even like the way that it looks with this blue that I have on, because blue and chocolate brown are such a vibe. I haven't even taken like anything out of her. I literally just opened this bag up and I had to pop on and show it to my friends, of course. So I came stuffed with these two little tissue papers, and I will probably keep those in there. I like to keep my bags and shoes stuffed. Inside looks like this. It's kind of hard to see, but it is kind of like a faux suede on the inside, and then obviously it just has the two little packing packets that come in it. Has the little tag, and then it is wrapped at the top, and it has, take this off, at the top it has this little adorable, I don't even know what to call this, clasp, but it has the brand embossed into it, which I think is beautiful. Obviously the bag doesn't have like a metal clasp, but it looks like it has, it looks like it has a magnetic one, but it's not. It's not magnetizing. Like, it has a magnetic clasp, but it's not magnetizing, but that's fine, because when I use this bag, it'll most likely mostly be for fashion. It'll be for the look. So I'm not so worried about the practicality of it, in the sense that with it closing and my things being protected. You would think that's strange that it has the magnetic closure on it, but it doesn't look like it's magnetizing. So yeah, somebody let me know if you have this bag. Let me know what's up with that. But I do really like this bag. I think that it is gorgeous. I really like the price point. Like I said, it is not like anything else that I have, and I just thought that it was a really nice statement piece for a good price. Wanted to pay a little bit more money for a Croc embossed bag, because bags like this can lean very cheap very easily. It does have kind of a shiny effect on it, but it's not overwhelming, and it looks extra shiny right now because I have my ring light on it. But in person, it isn't like super overwhelming. It doesn't look plasticky or fake, and I really like that about this bag. This bag actually reminds me of a purse that my mom used to have from the 90s that I used to play dress up with when I was a little girl, and I love that bag. And as soon as I saw this, I loved it. This particular version, the Croc embossed moon bag, also comes in a really pretty emerald green, which I liked as well, but I thought that the brown was nice, and I thought that it was perfect for this season and this year. And like I said, I don't have anything like it. I don't have another brown bag. Like, I have Louis Vuitton bags that are obviously brown, but that's not the same. Like, I wanted a nice brown bag that didn't have any monogramming on it, and I just thought that this was perfect. This little piece can come off, but I will be leaving it on because I think that it's really cute and that it adds an extra level of oomph to it. So yeah, honestly, I am very happy with this purchase. Like I said, $163 on sale at Moda Operondi. I think that this bag is going to be a really nice statement piece in a lot of my outfits this winter. And like I said, there just isn't anything else like it. This is not a bag that I'm seeing constantly, and I think that it is just gorgeous. It makes me feel very adulty. Like, this is just like a very grown-up bag in my opinion. It's a very it's different from the shape to the Croc to all of it. It honestly reminds me of a sculpture or a work of art, and that's honestly how I feel about my clothes and how I feel about fashion. I want the things that I wear to feel like works of art, and to just make me feel beautiful and to look beautiful and just to be nice to look at. I think that that's genuinely how I feel. I consider myself to be a collector of clothing or a collector of fashion, and like I said, I consider them to be art pieces, and I consider myself to be a collector, just like somebody that collects anything else. Like, you know, you obviously sometimes want to be able to sit and look at your collection, and I just think that she is a beautiful addition to the family and a great option for my Finstyle babes who are in kind of that mid-range and you're looking to start spending a little bit more money on your clothing items, but like I said, you are either not at a point or interested in paying luxury price for purses and things like that. That is also a thing. I always say to you guys that Finstyle, everybody's Finstyle is going to be different. The items that you value, the things that are important to you, are always going to be different. I personally go from low to high with my Finstyle. Like I said, I collect clothing, I love fashion, and I am willing to pay that price, but that might not be the case with everybody. You might have other priorities and just never get to that point where you're like, I want to pay $2,000 plus for a handbag, but I still want something that's nice. And if that is the case, I highly recommend you looking into brands like Staud and getting yourself some nice little well-made accessories that do not break the bank. So I am very excited about this bag. Stay tuned to see how I style. Follow me on Instagram, like I said, at @IamBriePerry, so you guys can see how I style this baby, because I have a lot of ideas in my head and I know that she is going to look absolutely gorgeous with all of them. So I am very happy with her, and that is that, y'all. Welcome to the family. We gotta name her. I'm thinking Dundee, like Crocodile Dundee, but we shall see. So yes, that is that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Quick and sweet, short and sweet. I wanted to just give you guys my kind of first impressions on her and let you know that she is on sale in case you want to pick her up. So I will try to get this video out as soon as possible for you guys so you guys can check this bag out if you are interested. But I love you. Thank you again for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.